Hi guys, welcome to a new video of RDC. Today we are going to make a obstacle follower robot using the witblox robotics kit, and this will work just like this. When I will show my hand in front of this sensor, it will start following my hand. To make this thing, what we need is the witblox robotics kit, and from the box we need the power module, distance module and the power supply battery. And I made this body given inside the box using the foam sheets. And if you want to know how to make this body, then follow the link below the description and you can see how to make the body of the robot. So now let's make the connections, then we will make the obstacle following robot. So for that, first let me connect the battery over here. And then first connect the power module and then the distance module and then the two motor drivers. Then connect it to the battery. Now place this IR sensor on the front of the robot. And now it's already done, and we made the obstacle following robot. Turn the power on and show any kind of obstacle in front of this, and it will start following it. Just like this. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, then please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the instant notification whenever I will upload a new video.